Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check if your Shopify store is properly integrated with Klaviyo. This is essential because a working integration ensures that your customer data, orders, and abandoned carts sync correctly. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Integrations. This will show you a list of all the apps and platforms connected to your Klaviyo account. Look for Shopify in the list. If you see it, click on it to open the integration details. Here, you can check several important things. The store URL should match your Shopify domain. Make sure it's the correct .myshopify.com address. The status should show as connected. If it says not connected or needs attention, the integration is not complete. You should see the data sync status, which confirms that products, customers, and orders are syncing properly. Next, scroll down to check Settings and Tracking. Make sure Abandoned Cart Tracking is enabled. This ensures that Klaviyo can detect when someone leaves items in their cart and send automatic reminder emails. If you want to double-check, go to your Shopify admin panel. Make sure the Klaviyo app is installed under Apps. Open the app and verify that it shows your Klaviyo account connected. Finally, you can test the integration by creating a test order or subscribing to a newsletter on your Shopify store. Then check Klaviyo to see if the data appears in the correct list or flow. This confirms that everything is working smoothly. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check if your Shopify store is integrated with Klaviyo. A proper connection keeps your data synced, ensures automated emails work correctly, and helps you make the most of Klaviyo for your store. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and explore our channel for more tutorials on Shopify and Klaviyo.